Now remember, corona politics is peaking in Bengal. How? Because Bharatiya Janata Party members of parliament from the state today protested against alleged mismanagement of COVID-19 crisis in Bengal. This is a day after Union Minister Debashree Chaudhary is claiming that the state government was preventing opposition leaders to present the correct picture. Despite lockdown imposed in the capital, several BJP MPs reached Union Minister Babul Supriyo's residence to protest against Mamata Banerjee. Earlier, remember, Trinamool Congress Member of Parliament Derek O'Brien took to social media site, hitting out at Union government, alleging that the purpose of sending the central team to the state of Bengal was simply to spread a political virus. He claimed that the central team was visiting these districts that did not even have a hotspot.
We deeply condemn her act. We deeply condemn the way she is handling situation in Bengal, and she is putting the lives of West Bengal people in jeopardy. And that's why we are sitting all together. We want people to know that there is this absolute tanashahi and mindlessness more than anything else that is happening in Bengal. And now you're seeing all the hospitals, the doctors and the nurses, they are all getting infected by COVID, and the careless attitude that has been shown by Mamata Banerjee, which even got accentuated by what Derek said, the attitude of the party, what they're thinking inside, is something that is appalling.
I think what we are seeing in West Bengal is a case of vindictive mismanagement. And I think this is gradually getting documented more and more. This is not a game of political one-upmanship. It's a case of how effectively the state, and by which I mean include both the center and the state governments, can jointly together it's a common threat against humanity. What we are seeing in West Bengal is a fudging of statistics that has already come out. The central team has brought it out and they have had to revise, setting up norms for assessment which are completely unique. It doesn't exist anywhere else in India or even in the world.
तो क्यों नहीं हम ये मदद में हम शामिल हो सकते, लोगों तक पहुंच क्यों नहीं सकते? जनप्रतिनिधि हैं, अरे ये लोग तो सारे लोकसभा एमपी इतने सारे चुन के आए हैं, इन लोगों को तो वही वहाँ के लोकल लोगों ने वोट देकर जिताए हैं, तो क्यों उन सबको रोका जा रहा है? क्यों हर एक डिटेल वो रोक रही है, सच छुपा रही है? क्यों अगर सेंट्रल टीम आती है तो क्यों नहीं सारे कोऑपरेशन उनको किया जाएगा उनके साथ?
That interaction with Rupa Ganguly has been brought to us by Manogya Lohewal. She is now joining me live from Kolkata. Manogya, perhaps Bengal is the only state where this politics over COVID-19 is so brazen and clear. What are you picking up from the ground? Because now it seems that the BJP is all guns blazing as opposition there.
Well, yes, these are difficult times, but what is even more difficult is that more than just the COVID-19 death, it's the politics brewing over it. One after the other, there have been instances of allegations, counter-allegations between BJP and TMC, or call it the center versus state. But this seems to be at a time when it's not about handling the death or being told or handling the entire medical fraternity is more important. We feel there has been a set of special teams that have been sent in South Bengal, in Kolkata, and North Bengal also, who've been monitoring, traveling to various places and also trying to ascertain the kind of facts and also allegations of hiding of facts by the state government. Now, these are allegations that have been put on record also by the central committee who's come in, and now with today the BJP leaders protesting in the state at home, this of course is the next level of the war.
All right, Manogya, keep tracking all the latest from the ground in Bengal, because remember earlier, Union Minister Debashree Chaudhary alleged that opposition leaders were being confined to their home in the state, while Trinamool Congress TMC leaders were being given permission to move anywhere around. Listen in.
कैसे तानाशाही के नाते कैसे विरोधियों के ऊपर दबाव डाल सकते, कैसे विरोधियों के घर के अंदर किया जाएगा। लगातार साल भर 2018 से वो खून खराबा और आक्रमण वगैरह सब कुछ कर चुके हैं। इस कोरोना के मौका में, इस माहौल में इनका कोशिश है, जो सांसद है, जनप्रतिनिधि है, इनको घर में उसके ऊपर दबाव डाल के इसके घर में बंद करने का।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.